So this is an old table. Little things like that. And like that. And we are just going to give it a once over. So that's what it looks like. So I'm going to use the drift in order to bang down any nails. Then I'm going to use the power plane, go over it. And I'm going to sand it all, and then I'm going to bri wax it. This is going to be the process. So 60 and 120 is what's being used, and you know, that's where we were before, where there's a little bit sticking up. I need to do the edges as well, but I'm just about to go over it with 180. Okay, so that has been gone over with 180, and that is now nice and smooth to the touch, and I'll probably play with it a little bit more. But what I want to do is, I think I want to do the edges as well. Now, if you just try sanding the edges, all that happens is that because this is covered in bri wax, I mean, I didn't make this, I bought this years ago. It just clogs up the pores. So it's actually better to run the power plane along that edge, and then when you bat down to bare wood, you can tolerate small patches where there's wax, but large patches like that, you'd sand, and then your disc would get full. So that's what's going to happen next. That had been covered in bri wax, that would have filled that pad up already. So that is what happens after 60, 120, 180, 240. Nothing sticks up. It's good and smooth. And so all the edges now. All the edges are done. So I don't mind the trestles, I suppose they'd be called. I don't mind them staying one colour. So now is the glory moment. This is where I put on antique brown bri wax. This is a gardening glove, and I hope I've got enough of this stuff left. Any problems with this in the future, and you just literally repeat the process that I've just gone through. And that is the finished job. Lovely and shiny. It's got a real nice look to it now. And that is how to bring back a pine table to life. And it doesn't matter if it gets dented or scratched, because you can literally belt sand it, power plane it, hand sand it, machine sand it, anything you like.